Welcome back. So, after soaking in the spiritual energy of Pashupatinath Temple, which is one of the most sacred Hindu temples in the world, it was time to hit the road again. This UNESCO World Heritage Site reminded me of how powerful silence, prayer, and stillness can be. As I moved forward, waving through the lanes of Kathmandu, my mind felt lighter. The road was calling again, this time towards another iconic landmark, the Boudhanath Stupa. I have seen in movies and pictures and videos, it's a massive white dome, colorful prayer flags fluttering, monks walking, spinning prayer wheels. Standing tall and timeless, the Boudhanath Stupa is one of the largest in the world. A sacred site for Tibetan Buddhists and a symbol of peace, wisdom, and enlightenment. The giant eyes of the Buddha painted in the stupa seems to watch over the valley, calm, silent, yet full of presence. Travel isn't always glamorous. Sometimes it's just about surviving the chaos, both outside and within. Just a few days ago, I was dealing with an injury that's slowed me down. And honestly, my wallet wasn't in the best shape either. Cash was low, options were limited, and I had every reason to give up and head back. But something within me whispered, just go, see what you can, move at your pace. And I'm glad I listened. Because despite everything, the pain, the tight budget, and the uncertainty, I made it. To Pashupatinath, to Boudhanath, to moments that will stay with me far long than any material comfort. This journey will always remind me that it's not always about how far you go, but about how deeply you feel every step. Sometimes the soul just needs a place to rest, reflect, and remember that even a small step forward is still progress. So, here we are at the parking of Boudhanath Stupa. Let's park the vehicle and head towards the stupa.
यो बुद्ध स्तूपाको पार्किङ है बुद्ध स्तूपाको पार्किङ
Guys, so just done visiting the World Heritage Temple, famous temple, Pashupatinath Mandir in Kathmandu. Now I am visiting the Buddha Stupa. Stupa is like a temple for the Buddhists. So, parked my vehicle just now and now heading towards the Stupa. I'll have to ask someone where exactly it is because I am not sure. See you there. So that is the main temple. And there are so many shops selling artifacts, different kind of stuff, even I don't know what they are. So it really looks beautiful because I have never seen them before. Stupa right now. You can see it's so huge and it's so big and beautiful. It's peaceful. So let's check it out.
I felt something shift inside me. A sense of peace I didn't know I needed the most. Seeing something with your own eyes and experiencing it is completely different thing than watching it in a movie or videos or any kind of pictures. And I was glad I was able to view this beautiful place and experience it with my own eyes. Kathmandu gave me that space, a pause between storms, a breath when I needed one, and a memory that said, you kept going, even when it wasn't easy. So here's to the broken roads, the sacred stops, and the traffic, and the strength it takes to move, one step at a time. Thank you for staying with me in this exciting journey. Let's head to the next spot in the next video.